I'm out here living my best life with the lights on. This light is kind of bothering me though. And so I'm gonna bring out some battery powered lights out here to make it more, ambient. Is ambient the word? Anyway, we're about to set it up over here, friends. We're about to set it up over here, and it's about to be fantastic. Let me figure out where I can put this candle for now. Temporary, temporarily, temporarily. I'll put it here, and then I'll be back. Okay, so um, I have this that I bought in 2022, and these that were bought within like the last week or so. And they're all from Dollar Tree. This is five. I assume these are probably five as well. We're just gonna see. I'm gonna turn off the lights in here. We're gonna see about the ambiance. So yeah, let's get to it. Yeah. Is it giving? Is this doing something for me? I feel like I kind of want to put something over there. Let's see. Is this the vibe I want to go for? The two over there, and then I don't. Hold on. I do want to like incorporate this outside, but I feel like I have to make some type of built-in. I don't know. I'm gonna be playing around with this. Let me move this over here again. Maybe this. I think I'm just gonna have to eventually. Not eventually, like sooner than later. And these lights have to be moved because the dog was out here. I think I'm just gonna have to. What's the word for this? Um, get another pair of. I mean, that's kind of the plan already. Get another pair of lights to do the same thing over there to shut out the vibe, right? Yeah, I think this is working for me right now. For right now, yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, so I want you to move the table to that side because I'm gonna put the big crate.
Okay, so now there's plans afoot because we've got the table over there, but apparently now I've been relegated to one half. I don't know that I'll put the lights on the other side then. Probably will, but I don't know. So uh I mean maybe not because if I'm not gonna be on that side, is there a point to making it cozy? Sure, but whatever. Um Anywho, it's just vibes. Mm.